All right, so let's talk about doing a Parks on the Air activation and using your resources. So, uh, right here is where I live, where the dot is. There is a park right here, but I want to go do two parks at one time. So we're going to look at Kilo 0561, and I've been over there before, so I've passed this sign right here before, where it shows that there are two different parks within one, and uh, but I don't 100% sure know where the dot is for that. Well, I do because I've been there before. So the dot's right here. So it's matched up with Kilo 0671. So 0561 and 0671 are in the same place. And if you are unsure if that is accurate, then you may have to do a little bit of research. Whenever I was researching Captain John Smith Trail, it showed right here that Assateague Island National Seashore is the entire island. And if you go back over to the POTA, this is all one island. So I bring up Captain John National Seashore, or I'm sorry, Captain John Smith Trail, and it goes through a whole lot of areas over here. We switch back over to this trail, and it goes right here, it goes over here, it goes over here. It's pretty much in the bay, and then it goes up through Delaware. Well, in the Delaware side of it, we'll switch back over to POTA maps. And this may take a little bit of time for you to be able to research and find where the boundaries for things are. But if you look at these maps side by side, you can see right here where the Captain John Smith goes this way, and then it goes this way into Laurel, Delaware, and then there is a uh, Nana Nanacoke State Wildlife Area, I think is how you say that, and it shows that right there. And then if you go to the Nanacoke Island map, and you look around, here's the river, here's Broad Creek, here's the river itself. It goes up this way. And if you notice, there's a boat ramp right here, which is within the boundaries of this park. And that boat ramp right there, if you do your activation either at the boat ramp or anywhere that's on the water within 100 feet of the water, then that also counts as a twofer for Captain John Smith, which is Kilo 4567, I believe it is. Let's see. Yep, 4567. Now, the dot for that is actually located up in Washington, D.C. But say that you want to go do this Kilo 5727, and you're going to let people know ahead of time that you're going to go do it. So you go right here, click on activations, and then it's going to load. It'll take a second. You're going to scroll down to the bottom, and let's say that I'm going to go there to Kilo 5727, and then I plan on being there later today. I'm going to pick a UTC time. Right now it is around 1700 UTC, so let's say I'm going to be there tonight at 2000 on the dot, and then I plan on being there until uh, you know 1 o'clock or 159 tomorrow UTC, which is actually 9 p.m. here. And I plan on being on, we'll call 20 meters and 40 meters, maybe more. And then in the comments, I'm going to say twofer with Kilo 4567 as many bands as I can. All right. And then I'm going to hit save, and then it's going to save it just like this, and it will um, be there for people to know. So a lot of people actually look at this to try to see what they plan on hunting for the day or chasing for the day. Also, the other thing is if you do it this way and you use CW or data mode, particularly FT8, you can then uh, be spotted automatically. Let's talk about the spots page now. So the spots page, this is everybody who says that they're at a park right now. This gentleman right here, in North Dakota, I actually made contact with him a little bit earlier today, so it does work. It does tell you whenever people are out there. But say that you don't do FT8 or CW and you just want to look at the single sideband, you can filter it. This is POTA.app that I'm using. And then if you don't want to do anything but 40 meters, you can filter it for that too. And then if you scroll down, not a good example right now, but you can also hide the QRT people, the people that are not there anymore. And then also, if you respot something, or someone rather, it will turn it gray, and then you can actually hide that too, and you won't see them until they switch bands. So that's that website. That's one of the resources that you can use. Oh, and then the other thing is if you have internet of some sort, whenever you get to the park that you're going to be at, here's the QRTs you can hide. You hit the I'm at a park now, and you can say, hey, I'm on 7205, and I'm at Kilo 5727. And then in the comments, you can say twofer again with Kilo 4567. And then you hit spot, and then people will know that you're out there. So using that is very useful. Then there is also, I don't have it open on the side anymore. You can go to Soda Watch, and it will give you your people that are spotted for soda. Spots are, again, things that are going on. Alerts are people that plan on being at different summits at some point in time. And you can also use HamAlert.org. And this is an app that you can get on your phone, and whatever filters that you set up for it, it will give you an alert on your phone. So I have mine set up for POTA and SOTA and Hawaii in general because I need that for work all states. And then there are a few call signs that I have that I get alerts for regardless of what they are spotted doing. So that's some of your resources that are available. There are other resources out there, but these are the ones that I use and the ones that I wanted to mention. So, all right.